Today's video is about making soap and the history of soap and our people. Hi, this is Joy's of Sister Products, and I'm here to introduce you to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again to my video. I do appreciate you so much. I'm trying to build my business through my YouTube channel for Sister Products and Adventures of Sweet Pea. Love the same. I would appreciate you forwarding this video to your friends and families, as it would help me to build my channel and help me promote my business. All of the links of everything that I talk about today will be in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit that notification bell. I really appreciate it so much. Let's get to it. Today's topic is about soap. And soap is important to us as people of color. What we know of the first origins of soap, it was created in Mesopotamia. We know where Mesopotamia is. And there's actually a tablet, and I'll put actually a picture of it. And what this tablet is actually the first or the oldest known recipe for soap. So soap is made from caustic lye or wood ash. It creates a lye, water and oils, and when they come together, it's saponified is what the chemical process is called, and they come together and they actually make this bubbly, sudsy cleaning agent that we use as soap. Soap is, for me, that part of my heritage, our heritage, that it was taken from us. And it's just that little bitty fragment that I can hang on to, so when I'm making soap, I feel like I'm connected to my ancestors. Or to our... In the next part of this video, I go over the process of rebatching soap. And you can easily do this at home when you have a bunch of different bars of soap that are left over. You can actually add a little bit of extra oil to super fat it, because that extra oil doesn't go into the soap. It kind of stays in between, so it's very moisturizing. And I will be following that same process here. I'm going to take my soap. There's a bunch of different bars that I've had of different batches of soap that I've made. I'm going to cut them up with a doughing knife, and then I'm going to put, it's 7 pounds of soap. I'm going to add a 1.5 cups of water and a 1/2 cup of olive oil, and then later on in the recipe I'm going to add an additional 1/2 pound of shea butter. So the soap is going to come up very moisturizing and very nice. So I set the turkey roaster at about 250, and then I'll cover it over. The process takes about 3 hours. So within a few minutes of me doing it, this is what this soap will actually look like when we start. When I hit hour number 3, you'll come back and see a very big difference in this soap. It's going to be all melted together, and some of the outer edges are going to be bubbly and kind of crusting over. There we go. This soap is pretty much done and ready to be put into molds. But before I do that, I'm stirring down that little bit of some of the soap that did not melt in that process, as well as I've already added my shea butter. You can see some of the pieces there. And then I will add a fragrance oil or essential oil at that point if I want an extra little beautiful smell to the soap. And then I'll be able to pour it into a mold, let it sit for about 8 hours or so, and then I will have a beautiful batch of new soap. But rather than have all these bits and pieces, I have a very consistent loaf of soap. So then we've gone over the super fatting, the process of rebatching. And so we're going to take this soap just right here, and I'm going to be, if you look off to the side a little bit, I'm actually taking the soap from that turkey roaster, and I'm putting it into this little wooden mold that I've made. And I lined it with parchment paper and let it sit overnight, and there that soap is. And then I have my soap cutter, and I kind of lift that soap bar out of there. It weighs about 12 pounds or so. It's pretty hard to cut, as you can see, but look at that marbling, just
beautiful.
Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you so much for hanging out to the end and hanging out with me today. Our next video, I'm going to be doing a door wreath. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future videos. And I will see you very soon in the next video. Have an amazing day. Thank you so much for tuning in, and take care. Bye-bye.